Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. Today I'm gonna show for the edges until 2014 model and until 15 MKX model door related parts replacement. Example: door trim, door handle, key cylinder, window regulator, motor, and door latch. Let's go start. First, you guys take off the handle cover, and then next pops out power window master switch like this, and then disconnect to power window master switch, and then can see the two 10mm door trim mount bolt, and then remove two bolt. Next step, we needed to remove 3 door trim screws. There are 3 spots and then 3 Phillips screwdriver head screws in there, and then inside the door panel you need a smaller screwdriver, and the bottom side 2 more, and then take out the door panel, push the bottom out, and then lift up, can remove the door panel. And then there are 3 electric connector, disconnect them and then take them out like this. Next step, door outside handle removal procedure. Once open the door, you can see the rubber cover. Remove cover, and then you guys can see that a T25 screw head. And then once you guys outdoor handle open position like this, and then using your left hand, and then probably using the right hand on clockwise unscrew the 2 turns, and then you can remove vessel. Door handle removal is pretty much easy. Just slide back and fold out. It can be removed like this. Once remover outside the door handle and vessel, and then we need to remove a key cylinder. And then there are inside a plastic retainer. I attached this repair video, and then slightly release this retainer, and then pull the key cylinder out. And then remove this door handle enforcement bracket T25 around, and also remove 3 latch screws. I recommend detach wire harness retainer from door panel of the side speaker. Next, reconnect the door master switch on, and then you see that remove door window glass mount hole to rubber cover, and then can see that start with screw head, one side here and other side here. Now windows line up to this screw, and then 4 turns on counterclockwise, and then push the window and then hold the frame body, and then remove 10 bolts from the regulator window regulator module. Then this enforcement, and then detach from the door panel. Slide the left hand side and then push it in. Now I already this side attached the wire. Then I remove a whole assembly window regulator module, and then this side slightly down, and then take out the pin down this way, and then there's one more connector, and a keypad connector, and then disconnect the keypad connector right here, and then much further slide down, and then take out all door window regulator module assembly. It attached to door latch, door enforcement, door latch rod, door window regulator, and motor, all one piece assembly. And it has still door wire on it. So carefully down and bottom slightly lean like this. You can see that whole door part is assembled is here. Door regulator, door motor, door latch, and then door handle enforcement. So if you whatever you want, when you needed to replace some of the part, and then take out the whole door regular model assembly like this, and then disconnect wire or take out the door edge, and then kind of any other part, and then don't forget that this door keypad connector. Now I'm showing installation. Installation is back of the remover. That's not very hard. Once you guys whatever you want, change the door latch regulator, and then something door enforcement bracket, and then the back way is just into the door latch area first, goes in, and then pushed before the pushed in totally, and then connect door keypad connector, and then much further pushed in, and then slightly line up the door latch, and then outside the door enforcement, and then goes in like this. And then just in case sometimes drop, and then I just attach the one 10mm bolt right here. That's fine. And then I attach the 10mm bolt here, and then move it slightly up and down, line up the door latch, screw hole, and then also this door handle enforcement bracket, and then pushed in back side, line up. Now screw in, tighten the door enforcement bracket, and also tighten the door registry squeeze, and then also door panel is whole assembly 10 bolts, and then reattach the door wire, and then lower the window, and then tighten the window to the regulator, and then put the cover back. Put the door panel back. First, you guys do master switch right here, much ready for beside the hole in the master switch connector hole, and then connect the 3 connectors onto the inside the door panel, and then line up this door open rod, and then slightly down, and then push in door panel. So screw, it's a bolt. Tighten the 2 bolts, and then 3 screws around the door panel, and then connect to the power window switch, and then push it in, and then outside the door handle is back of the remover, and then push it in, slide it in. That's all. Now it's kind of tunnel shape. It has door key cylinder, and so inside the enforcement also, and then line up with this shape, and then push the in key cylinder right here, right there. That's good. And then vessel goes in that hole, and then tighten the screw 4 turns, and then remove this cap, this screw. That's all. Now you guys make sure the all of the door function is good, door edge, any other things, and then rubber cover, and then door handle cover is back. Thank you for watching.